build and run technology that's used across the entire company. My primary responsibility is around consumer identity. One of the great things about working at Disney in general is just the breadth of really fascinating projects that we get to work on. Over the last few months, we got to work with ESPN on some new capabilities that they're rolling out for fantasy football. We got to work with ABC on some of the work they're doing around their app development and consumers using their apps for videos. One of the things that brought me to Disney in the first place and that inspires me most about working for Disney is just how passionate the company is for our guests and our fans and our consumers in general. And everything that we do is viewed through the lens of how can we make it better for our consumers? How can we make this magical for them? One of the challenges is, as the businesses move so rapidly, keeping a finger on the pulse of everything that's going on and making sure that we're communicating well and getting all that feedback. It's also one of the most rewarding parts of the job, being able to, on the same day, work on Star Wars and Marvel and ESPN and parks and studios, and it makes the job absolutely fascinating, but it also adds some complexity and challenges. We generally look for people who are passionate, interested, willing to adapt about making things better, constantly improving, constantly figuring out what are the right solutions to the business problem. Disney's a really fascinating place to work for a few reasons. One is the breadth of the brands and content and touch points that we have to consumers really around the world. The different types of businesses mean that from a technology standpoint, there's always really fascinating work and really cutting edge work, whether it's video related, such as our ABC and ESPN, or running theme parks, movies, or other different experiences that we have around the company. It always is really interesting from a business standpoint and what we're offering, and then connecting that to the technology and figuring out what are the right technology solutions to help enable the business today, and what are going to be the right solution as we look forward 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years, and thinking really in the long term for the company.